Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more tech insights and discussions. Today, we're taking a look at Optus, one of Australia's leading telecommunications providers. Optus offers a wide range of services, from mobile phone plans and internet connectivity to entertainment bundles and business solutions. Their website, located at www.optus.com.au, serves as a central hub for customers to explore these offerings, manage their accounts, and access support resources. Navigating through the site, you'll find detailed information on various plans, including prepaid and postpaid options for mobile, NBN plans for home internet, and even entertainment packages that bundle internet with streaming services. Optus aims to provide comprehensive coverage across Australia, connecting people in both metropolitan and regional areas. For current customers, the website offers account management tools, allowing them to view their bills, track usage, and make changes to their services. Additionally, the Optus website features a robust support section, providing answers to frequently asked questions, troubleshooting guides, and contact information for further assistance. Whether you're a current Optus customer or just researching your options, the website is a valuable resource. It provides a platform for comparing plans, understanding the features and benefits of different services, and accessing the support needed to make informed decisions about your telecommunications needs. They also offer a range of devices, from the latest smartphones to tablets and smartwatches, often bundled with attractive plan options. Business customers can explore dedicated solutions tailored to their specific needs, ranging from connectivity and communication tools to cloud services and cybersecurity solutions. Optus emphasizes its commitment to innovation and delivering a seamless customer experience, highlighting its network investments and customer service initiatives. Remember to check out www.optus.com.au for a complete overview of their offerings and stay connected with Optus.